visuals of the Indian Army imparting weapon handling, firing and maintenance training to Village Defence Committee members in Poonch. This is coming amid the ongoing operation in Poonch, where India so far has lost 9 brave hearts.
लेटेस्ट प्रशिक्षण जो दिया जा रहा है, अभी इसको लेटेस्ट मॉडर्न किया जा रहा है। वीडीसी को आर्मी की तरफ से कैंप लगाया गया था। ये समय समय पर ये वर्कशॉप लगती रहती है, तो बहुत अच्छा उन्होंने ट्रेनिंग दी। उसमें हमारे जो हथियार हैं साफ़ सफाई भी की, मेंटेनेंस भी की। तो अभी जैसे ये हालात बने हुए हैं, इस हालात में जो है वीडीसी मेंबर पूरा सहयोग करेंगे अपनी इंडियन आर्मी के साथ।
Village defence committees are an important part of the anti-terrorism grid in Jammu and Kashmir. The committee that was first set up in the mid-1990s in the Chenab Valley area to arm and train villagers to defend against Pak-sponsored terrorists. VDCs comprise of villagers as well as police officers. The Indian Army trains them from time to time in weapons handling and intelligence gathering skills. In August this year, the Director General of Jammu and Kashmir Police, Dilbagh Singh, has ordered filling up of all the vacant positions of the special police officers engaged with the village defence committees to fully reactivate the village defence committees in combating the terror threat in the hilly regions of Jammu region.
With increased terror activities in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, Indian Army is now training the locals in all districts of Jammu and Kashmir for the weapon training. They are being provided the training to use weapons in case of any terror incident. And this is very important as the army is now enhancing the skills of village defense committees that were formed in erstwhile state of Jammu and Kashmir in mid of 1990s to eradicate terrorism, and they proved to be really successful. And in August this year, the DGP Jammu and Kashmir Police has also ordered to fill up the vacant post of SPOs in village defense committees to counter the terrorism. And now the army in the Poonch district is giving training to the village defense committee members who are the brave hearts of the civilian areas and are ready to give the supreme sacrifice for Mother India.